Thank you to Birch Living for bringing us this video. More on them later. Watch this video when you must clean, but you don't feel like it. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur and another homemaking video. I'm hoping to provide inspiration for you today. You might be wondering why I'm outside stabbing sweet potatoes. Well, that's because the kitchen is still a hot mess from breakfast. It's just one of those days. School is out, my kids are still in their pajamas, one of them has a cold, my work is piling up. I'm just not feeling it. We all have one of those days. But I need to get these sweet potatoes in the oven for lunch and clean up the kitchen. So I thought I'd capture it and give you a bit of encouragement, because let's face it, we have all been there. Housework is mundane and unglamorous. It requires physical effort and can often feel like the dead last thing you want to do. Dead last. We want a little excitement in our lives, some beauty. Sometimes you just want to play with the kids, or you have a lot of work you need to get done. How tiresome to have to clean the kitchen again. So you don't feel like cleaning. Don't feel guilty. That's a totally normal feeling. The question is, what are you going to do about it? Can you get someone else to clean it? If not, and it's on you, here we go. Time to shift our mental attitude. Get on that apron and those gloves. Pop in those AirPods to listen to music or an audiobook and get to it. Here's my little secret. In At Home with Madame Chic, I talk about the pleasures of the day and how they can be goalposts for you. So I'm going to tuck into this messy kitchen right now and stab the potatoes and get lunch ready. And then I have a bit of a treat planned. Tea and Henry James by the pool. Yep, that's what I'm aiming for. The imminent pleasure of the afternoon will see me through this, friends. You're not alone. Do you know that? I think every homemaker in the history of the world has felt this lack of motivation at some point, if not frequently. It's totally natural and cyclical. I equate it to burnout. We go through cycles in our homemaking. Sometimes we are on top of it all, on point, raring to go, loving every minute of it. Then enter an illness in the household, or a work deadline, or a beautiful day outside that you'd rather frolic in. Totally normal. Well, when I go dark about wanting to do my tasks, I like to shift my mental reality. Call it triggering the matrix. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he, after all. So what do I need to think in my heart about this situation? If I moan and prolong this inevitable task, I'm only making it worse. The other day, my son had a gross-tasting medicine that he had to take. He was prolonging it by taking wee bitty little sips. I told him he was prolonging the bad taste. Just get it over with. I tried to encourage him. He took it in 2 shots and it was done with. Well, I'm going to take this kitchen in 2 shots because I have plans this afternoon. I'm going to break away for 1 minute to tell you about Birch Living. They sponsored one of my homemaking videos a year ago, and it's time for me to tell you an update on their awesome mattress. In short, we love it. This is old footage of me assembling it. Birch is a premium mattress-in-a-box company that make products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. Their non-toxic mattresses are made right here in America and are crafted with natural and organic materials that have been sustainably sourced. Ours is in the guest bedroom, and I can't tell you how often I like to sneak in here and hide while reading a book. This mattress is a complete dream. I love that it's 100% non-toxic, and it was so easy to receive and put together. With Birch, you get a 100-night sleep trial and a 20-year warranty, Plus, they deliver your mattress to your door for free. So click my link to get $400 off your Birch mattress plus 2 free pillows. And thank you to Birch for bringing us this video. And now, it's time for lunch. I take a coconut tea loaf out of the freezer to thaw and plate for later today. Doesn't it look delicious? And now it's time to plate lunch. We're having the sweet potatoes, of course, with some roasted salmon, mac and cheese, and vegetables. After lunch, there's a light cleanup and a few more tasks to accomplish. Let's talk about these pleasures as our goalposts. Give yourself a treat, something to look forward to. You are not an automaton. You can't just break your back every day, proverbially speaking, and not reward yourself. The brain responds well to treats, and they are good for your mental health. So when I'm faced with a task I don't particularly want to do, I make sure there's something special waiting for me at the end of it. This doesn't demean the task I'm doing. Rather, it exalts it and makes it more exciting. I'm able to do it with vigor and more enthusiasm. If there was nothing to look forward to, that might not be the case. Afternoon tea is a daily pleasure for me. The whole ritual from start to finish is calming and centering, from the pouring of the water into the pot to the stirring of the sugar and milk. The coconut tea cake will be served with heavy cream and blueberries. I take it outside to enjoy my rest, along with this volume of Henry James's letters. Remember, make time to relax. It's imperative. I know your to-do list is still long. There's so much more you need to accomplish today, but that can wait. Use the pleasure of the afternoon as your goalpost. When you reach it and reward yourself, you will feel a sense of joy. Thank you for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur. I hope this video helped motivate you with your homemaking today. Thank you to Birch Living for bringing us today's video. Click my link to get $400 off your Birch mattress plus 2 free pillows. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.